Hello students, good morning to all. How are you all? Fine. I hope you all fine at home. Today we are going to learn subject English lesson number 3 THE the MOON moon IN in ABOWL bowl. The moon in a bowl. The moon in a bowl, lesson number 3. Now students take out page number 33. This is the story about Ajay and his sister. And now let's we read the story. AJAY Ajay, IS is EATING eating, DINNER dinner. Ajay is eating dinner. What Ajay is doing? Ajay is eating dinner. Dinner means that जो हम रात का खाना होता है ना उसे डिनर कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? डिनर. What Ajay is doing? Ajay is eating dinner. VANI Vani, IS is CRYING crying. Vani is crying. What Vani is doing? Vani क्या कर रही थी? Vani is crying. Crying means रोना. Crying means रोना. This is the hard words for you. Vani is crying. Ajay is eating his dinner. And what Vani is doing? Vani is crying. What she is doing? She is crying. Vani क्या कर रही थी? Vani रो रही थी. SHEC IS is HIS his, LITTLE little, SISTER sister. C is his little sister. Who is Vani? Who is Vani? Vani is Ajay's little sister. Vani कौन है? तो वानी अजय की छोटी बहन है. कौन है? छोटी बहन है. C is his little sister. Vani is little sister of Ajay. अजय की छोटी बहन है. SHEC DOES does, NOT not, WANT want, TO2 EAT eat, HER her, FOOD food. C does not want to eat her food. What Vani does not want to do? वानी को क्या नहीं करना था? She does not want to eat. उसको क्या नहीं करना था? She does not want to eat. उसको खाना नहीं था. उसका जो खाना था ना वो उसको खाना नहीं था. She does not want to eat her food. What? Vani does not want to eat her food. वानी को उसका खाना नहीं खा रहा था. So what she is doing? So she is crying. GRAND grand, MOTHER mother, grandmother. TAKES takes, VANI Vani, OUT out, SID is side, outside. THE the, HOUSE house. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. Now what to whom we call grandmother? Papa's mama is called our grandmother. Papa's mummy is our grandmother. पापा की मम्मी होती है ना वो कौन होती है? Grandmother. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. Grandmother कहाँ लेकर गए वानी को? outside the house. घर के बाहर लेकर गए. कहाँ पे लेकर गए? दादी उसकी कहाँ पे लेकर गई वानी को? outside the हाउस, घर के बाहर लेकर गए। आउटसाइड मीन्स बाहर। VANI वानी, LOOKS लुक्स, UP अप, वानी लुक्स अप, वानी ने कहाँ देखा? लुक्स अप, सी लुक्स अप इन द स्काई। THE th, STARS stars, ARER, TWINKLING twinkling, IN in, THE the, SKY sky. The stars are twinkling in the sky. In the sky, sky में क्या हो रहा था? Twinkling, twinkling. Have you learned this poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Have you heard this poem in a senior KG, junior KG? You learn this poem. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Have you heard this poem? Yes. Vani looks up and she looks up and she saw the stars are twinkling, twinkling in the sky. THE the, MOON moon, the moon. IS is, SHINING shining. BRIGHTLY brightly. AMONG among. THEM them. The moon is shining brightly among them. And in the sky, what shining brightly? So the moon is shining brightly. The stars are twinkling and the moon is brightly shining. सबके बीच में कौन ब्राइटली यानी एकदम तेज दे रहा था? तो मून. कौन दे रहा था? मून. VANI वानी, IS is HAPPY happy. TO2 SEEC, THE the, NIGHT night, SKY sky. Vani is happy to see the night sky. And Vani is happy. First, in the first line we read no, Vani is crying, but when she looks up and she saw the twinkling star is twinkling, so she is very happy. And Vani is very happy to see the night sky. रात का जो नज़ारा होता है ना, स्टार्स होते हैं, नाइट वो मून होता है, स्टार्स होते हैं, वो देखकर वानी क्या हो गए? हैप्पी. सी इज़ वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द नाइट स्काई. रात का जो नज़ारा आकाश का देखकर वो खुश हो गई. नाउ विल read again. SHEC ASKS ask, GRAND grand, MOTHER mother, grandmother. TO2 GET get, THE the, MOON moon, FOR for HER her. She asked grandmother to get the moon for her. What Vani asked to grandmother? Vani क्या पूछ रही थी दादी माँ को? She asked grandmother to get the moon. To get the moon यानी उसको क्या चाहिए? मून चाहिए. किसको चाहिए? वानी को. वानी wants to get the moon for her. उसके लिए उसको मून चाहिए. AJAY Ajay, HEARS hears. Ajay hears means अजय ने सुना. VANI वानी, AND and LAUGHS अजय hears वानी and laugh. अजय ने क्या किया? अजय hears the sound of वानी. वानी जो बोल रही थी ना कि दादी माँ I want to get the moon for me, ऐसे वो बोल रही थी ना, तो वानी वो साउंड उसका अजय ने सुना. अजय hears the sound of Vani and he laughs. Why he laughs? Because we cannot get the moon. We cannot get the moon now, so he start and laugh. Grand, grand, mother, mother, grandmother. Says, says, grandmother says, grandmother says. Grandmother ने कहा okay. will, get, the, moon, for, grandmother says. Grandmother ने क्या कहा? I will get the moon for you. दादी माँ ने कहा मैं तुम्हारे लिए मून को लाऊंगी. get the moon. but, have, finis, finish, your, dinner, first. But grandmother says one condition to Vani. What condition? She has to finish her dinner first. उसको क्या करना है? पहले उसका डिनर खा लेना है. बाद में दादी माँ क्या करेगी? What grandmother will do? Grandmother will get the moon for Vani. Grandmother वानी के लिए क्या लेकर आएंगे? moon. First, but क्या condition है? First Vani has to complete her dinner first. उसका खाना उसको पहले खाना है, फिर दादी माँ उसके लिए मून लेकर आएंगे. Vani, goes, inside, starts, eating, her, food. Vani goes inside and start eating her food. What Vani do? She goes inside the house. She is outside the house. Now she is going inside and start eating. First he start eating. Why? Because she want moon. Now let's we start this reading again. She asked grandmother to get the moon for her. She asked Vani, asked grandmother to get the moon for her. Ajay hears Vani and laughs. Grandmother says, I will get the moon for you. Grandmother says, I will get the moon for you. But you have to finish your dinner first. One condition grandmother keep there. You have to finish your this dinner first. हम भी कुछ काम करना होता है तो मम्मा हमको कंडीशन देते हैं. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क, देन आई विल डू दिस एंड दिस. यस, वानी गोज इनसाइड एंड स्टार्ट ईटिंग हर फूड. एंड व्हाट वानी डन? वानी गोज इनसाइड द हाउस. वानी गई घर में और ईटिंग हर फूड. और क्या करने लगी? ईटिंग हर फूड. Some hard words are here. Hears, then finish. Inside, hears means sunna, to hears. Finish means you have to complete this. Finish, complete. Inside means under. You have some hard words are given in this. Now what you have to do? You have to, this is enough for today. Now you have to read this story, and remaining we will teach in a next period. Now this is enough for today. You have to read this story, The Moon in a Bowl. Read the story carefully. Thank you.